Hi, welcome to Sana Cooks.
Welcome to Santa Cooks. Today we're making shakshuka.
Yay! We're making Tunisian shakshuka. It's also called ija, depends on what flavors you put on. You can add also potato on it, but we're gonna do it the simple way my mom used to make. Please, some thumbs up, some comments, and subscribe if you like this recipe and you like this funny guy. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, and thank you for watching too.
Hello guys, the ingredient for our shakshuka or arja, whatever you want to call it, because it depends on the spices. Some region will call it shakshuka and the other region will call it arja, are tomato. Can you point to the tomatoes, miss? Those are fresh cut tomato in cubes. You can use tomato paste, but it's better with fresh tomato. Merguez for the protein. We're doing the lamb sausages, the merguez. Some pepper. You can use any colors. Preferably in Tunis, they have the green ones. In Canada, I only have the multicolor ones. Onions, at least one big head of onions. Onions, mama.
Oh.
Yeah. Garlic. Those are the garlics. 2 tablespoons of olive oils, salt and pepper, and some caraway for the spicing. Caraway is my personal preference. This is how my mom, may she rest in peace, spiced her shakshuka. Other people will say no caraway because it's strong flavor, but I love it. Hi guys, so I'm using my iron cast for the cooking, and I'm gonna start with my olive oils.
Wow, it's not even making a sound. Weird.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. So guys, I'm starting with my onions. I'm gonna add my merguez.
Now this is when the real party gets started.
I'm gonna add my spices now and the garlic. As you can see, I'm just gonna saute this a little bit until the color of my merguez whitens up a little bit, just to give it some texture. And in a minute, I'll be adding my tomato. So as you can see, I'm gonna add my tomato now.
Ooh, the tomato.
So guys, I'm gonna let this simmer for about like maybe 5-10 minutes, just enough to taste the tomato being cooked, and then I'm gonna add my pepper and my eggs. It's been 7 minutes now that the tomato were simmering and bubbling and cooking. I'm gonna add my pepper, and then I'm gonna let it simmer another like 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, and add my eggs.
Ooh, c'est how pourquoi tu me mets un par un, tu commences avec les ordres.
So guys, I made my peppers kind of big because I like it that way. You can cut it smaller or tinier pieces, but I like mine a little bigger.
I like my small one.
I know you do, but this one is for mommy because mommy is missing her mommy. So guys, I'm gonna just cover it for like 3 minutes until the pepper starts cooking, and it's not too cooked. I want it to still have some crunch in it, some bite on it, okay? Hi guys, we're 5 minutes in. I just let it cook a little bit more to reduce the sauce, and I'm gonna start adding the eggs. So guys, you cook your eggs the way you like them. It's recommended that the eggs have a runny yolk, but it's really to your taste. My best friend Charlene, for example, she likes hers well cooked, so I usually start serving my husband and myself, and then serve her last. And her eggs are like her yellow, like egg yolk is well cooked, totally solid. Okay. And this is, guys, the Tunisian shakshuka from the Kaban. It's flavorful, it's yummy for brunch, lunch, dinner. Like, we literally eat it any time. You can make it. It's so easy and so delicious. The meat option, like the sausage option, you can just change it to your favorite sausages. Doesn't really matter. We like the merguez because it's lamb sausage and that's what we grow up eating. You can use your favorite sausage as a replacement, or you can just omit the sausage if you want
Like
it to be
hot dog.
vegetarian. No, not a hot dog. But if you want it to be vegetarian, you can just remove the merguez or the sausage of it. And if you want it to be vegan, you can also remove the egg from it. Here we are, our shakshuka is ready. We're gonna serve it and eat it. And thank you for watching to the end. If you liked my video or liked the recipe or like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share and to invite your friends and family to join us on my YouTube channel. Have a good day. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing?
Crazy dance.